When was the last time you cared about the mobility in your ankles? Do you spend any time in your pre-warm-up or post-workout stretching focusing on your dorsiflexion? A little attention in this place can go a long way. In reality, enhanced flexion of the foot can support your squatting, sprinting, strength, and ability to prevent injuries in the knee, hips, and lower back. Stay tuned to parshealthhtv to get more information about ankle mobility exercises that improve ankle dorsiflexion. What is dorsiflexion? The ankle is a hinge joint that lets the foot move in the sagittal plane. Within this plane, there are two distinctive movements, dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. The ability to move the top of the foot closer to the shin is named dorsiflexion. Why is dorsiflexion important? Dorsiflexion is significant because it lets the tibia, the shin bone, push forward freely. If the tibia is attached in a vertical position, it can lead the top of the body to lean forward to make up for the lack of mobility in your ankle when doing some exercises like squatting. This is especially obvious in front squats and overhead squats. If you feel a lack of mobility in the front squat and the overhead squat, this will directly influence your ability to get into a good position in the clean and the squat. It's a downward spiral. When your tibia is attached in a vertical pose, and your chest is forward, this reduces your ability to make force through the hips to move heavy loads. In essence, we're unable to get the highest potential in our lifts because the direction of power is not being applied correctly. If you observe the best squatters in the globe, they have great ankle dorsiflexion, and their chest is almost always in a vertical pose above their hips. Dorsiflexion is also crucial for sprinters. The ability to raise the foot off the ground fast, dorsiflexion, and to apply pressure when it hits the floor, plantar flexion, can boost speed and efficiency when running as well. Before we check out the best exercises to improve ankle dorsiflexion, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. Number 7. Ankle circles. Begin with a stretch. These circles boost your range of motion, and you can do them both sitting or lying down. Place a foam roller or rolled towel under your ankles. Twist your ankle gradually in circles, clockwise 8 circles, and counterclockwise 8 circles. Move just your feet and ankles, not your legs. Change the stretch by tracing out the letters of the alphabet with your big toe. Number 6. Single leg balance. Stand on a flat place with your feet shoulder width apart. Hold a chair or wall nearby for help if you need it. Keep your arms out to the sides, and then stand on one foot. You can make this motion every day and try to increase the number of seconds you can be steady on each leg. When you're able to keep your balance on one foot for at least 40 seconds, try the other variations. Balance with your arms at your sides. Balance with your eyes closed. Balance standing on an unstable place, like a pillow, folded towel, or a balance disc. Do at least 2 repetitions. You can also perform this movement in your daily routine. For instance, try standing on one foot while you brush your teeth or while you're waiting in line. Number 5. Lunges, static. Lunges support your ankles and enhance your balance. There are many kinds of lunges. You may take it easy to initiate and work up to more complicated versions. Start with a static lunge or make lunges in an even place. Begin with one foot in front of the other one, with your toes fronting forward. Hold your back straight. Flex your back knee down so that it almost touches the ground. Then push yourself up again. Repeat the motion 8 times, and do at least 2 sets. Number 4. Walking lunge. The walking lunge is more challenging. It involves your abs and lower body. When first trying this motion, you can have a trainer or exercise professional accurate your form. Step forward with one leg, and flex that knee at a 90-degree angle. Simultaneously, drop the back knee to the ground. Your thigh should be almost parallel to the floor. Keep the pose for 5 seconds. Then take a step forward again, with your back leg, and repeat the lunge motion leading with this leg. Do this workout to 10 lunges per leg. Number 3. Standing heel lifts. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Hold a chair or the wall nearby for help if you need it. Raise your heels off the ground so that you're standing on the balls of your feet. Gradually drop your heels to the ground. Controlling the motion is necessary for strengthening your muscles. Do at least 3 sets of 8 lifts each. You can use resistance to this workout by grabbing free weights while you raise your heels. You can also add this movement into your day-to-day routine, like when you're washing dishes. Number 2. Ankle flexion, plantar. This motion utilizes a resistance band to support your ankle as you point your toes down toward your heel, plantar flexion. Sit on the ground with one leg flexed at the knee, and put your heel on the floor and the other leg comfortably on the ground. Loop the band around the front of your foot, and have both ends in your hands. Point your toes gradually forward and then back, freeing the tension. Perform 3 sets of 10 bends on each foot, 3 days per week. Number 1. Ankle jumps. Stand straight and put your hands on your hips. Jump up straight without curling your knees. Bend your ankles, and pull up your toes while you're performing the jump, dorsiflex. Stretch your ankles back just before you touch the ground. Press the balls of your feet into the ground explosively, and then jump again. Try to hold your feet on the floor for as little time as possible. Initiate with a few reps per set, and do at least 2 sets. Work up to 20 reps in each set. Do you know more ankle mobility exercises to improve ankle dorsiflexion? If yes, please share it with us in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.